Pingwin. Austriacki Pingwin.
Did you know that penguins are incredible swimmers? They are reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour. They use their flipper-like wings to fly through water with astonishing agility. Some species can dive over 500 meters deep, holding their breath for more than 20 minutes. On land, they waddle adorably, but in the ocean, they're like torpedoes. And here's a fun fact. Male penguins often gift pebbles to females as part of their courtship rituals. So, next time you see a penguin, remember, they're underwater acrobats of the animal kingdom.